It is a new day. The tarp hasn't come off.
Medium mocha and a hash brown.
Yeah, a medium mocha, full cream milk.
We have arrived. This is where you come when you can't start your bus.
That's a good way to put it.
Okay, so we got that loose. The bolt has like a lot of marks on it that kind of makes it probably 50-year-old Japanese person's work. God damn you, Hideo Hikadoro! So there should be 3 bolts. That's the main thing. And then once the heat shield comes off, I think we can easily access the top side of the manifold, and there are 7 bolts for that, which I think are about 10 or 11 mil. One bolt done. We've almost got the manifold off. Ed is in for a big change, a big update on the project. You will never defeat us.
Ow!
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Are you okay?
My hand does not have good grip. So me
I can
having
see
to hold the goddamn breaker bar to try and figure out what a frickin' bolt is very painful.
Yeah, I can see that.
Why are you joking?
What happened?
The second bolt's 14.
It fell in. It fell in.
The second bolt is a 14.
It's a 14!
What the frick?
There you go.
Just keep him with you.
Take that. I'll take you 12. I'll raise you a 14. Poker. The alternator's probably going to be the hardest hurdle. Just think about it. We're getting this out of the way now.
Can we please just get bolts that are all the fucking same?
I'm honestly considering it.
Okay, guys. We got the manifold off. So now we can finally
Grab
pull the alternator out.
It'll be from this side.
Ow.
Sorry.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Move it away with your other hand because my foot's in the way. There we go.
Here we go, guys.
Get out. This thing does not look like it wants out at all.
That's because you're doing it on the wrong angle. You got to do it on the side.
Congratulations, we did what we just did and we have exactly the same problem.
What?
It just doesn't fit. Like, as in by just, I mean it barely,
We're getting there.
very barely does not fit.
We got it out.
It's out.
The alternator is out. We got a baby. It's a boy. It's a boy.
The oil was definitely the problem. I see more grease than wire.
Oh yeah, true.
Nathan, look at this yuck.
Holy moly, boy! This guy is a champion
Right
here.
here. This is the culprit. This is the big head. Look at him. It's all grease.
It's our boy now. It's our boy
I don't
now.
want him.
It's adopted. It's adopted. We finally pulled the alternator, guys. It is finally out, and I've got cuts and scratches everywhere. This was a big pain. It took us 2 days. 2 days to pull it, 1 day to diagnose, so 3 days in general of just pure bullshit. We're having an outdoor shower, boys. We are on our way to recondition this goddamn alternator finally.
Anyone want to chuck on music?
I'm all good. You chuck it on.
I'd honestly rather listen to nothing.
Yeah, but it doesn't work.
I hate the radio.
Let's get this thing reconditioned. Oh, Jesus Christ. One more long day. This boy is almost done. So, it is currently day 4 of the FTO build, and we've got a new alternator because the old alternator kind of died, and that is practically where we're at. We've got to install the new alternator, and we also got to take that bolt that was really badly stripped, and we've got to replace it.
It's 38 and mostly sunny.
38
Today it will be
degrees.
cloudy with a forecasted high of 39 and a low of 12.
It's 38 degrees today.
39 and the low of 12. What is that weather?
Low of 12.
Flatbush, by the way.
Jesus Christ. Take it to the florist.
I'm pretty sure its spatial attack is already like unreasonably high as well.
You learn oil? Flatlets?
Look at that giant dog. We gotta, okay, tool section's here. So that's the tool shop. Here we are.
No bolts.
Now remember, boys, no bolts.
No bolts.
Only nuts. No nut November. Good job. We don't want to break the nut anymore. So, should we try M10? But how will this work? That's just a full bolt kit though. Melbourne weather, boys.
Windy.
38 degrees and a little bit drizzly. It's gonna be drizzly and a little bit rainy today as well, so we're not gonna get completely dehydrated.
This is actually perfect. You can actually cool down. Get in.
Oh, thank you.
Get in the
They have finally restocked on Boss. Okay guys, this is the final stretch for the FTO. We are getting the alternator in today, and then we're going to take it to get roadworthy because we can't really do the stuff on the suspension because we don't have the tools for it. We're going to get the roadworthy guys to do the CV boots and the suspension tops and all that, so that way that'll all be ready for roadworthy. But we're going to do the alternator because we have the part, we have the tools, and it's very easy to do. So you guys are going to be following us around for this little experiment, and once it's ready to go, we're going to take it for a quick test drive and make sure that everything is working and operational. I'm not sure whether that's storm clouds or whether that's smoke. Coming from Geelong bound, there is a bunch of black clouds or grey clouds coming from that direction. Over here it looks completely fine, so fingers crossed nothing's gonna be coming from the distance. As long as there's no orange glow, we're good. And now it's getting very windy. Ah, there's stuff in my eye. It's a sandstorm. Darude sandstorm in southeast Melbourne. And slight rain. Ah, everyone inside. Heat shield and then that's it.
Put the heat shield on.
So are all the screws secured?
Yes.
Okay, we've torqued all the screws, so that's all good. Now time to put the heat shield on and the wheel, and then we'll continue this once it stops storming.
Heat shield on, put the wheel back on, roll it back forward.
Heat shield there. One screw holding that in?
It's 3.
3.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready to put them out.
3 screws to do the heat shield, and then we're almost done. Another day, another grind. Also last night, our cars got hit with the pooperine. So that means all of our cars are dirty, including the car that I just washed yesterday. Literally. It looks like a bug died on it too. I literally cleaned this yesterday, and now it's like... Actually, the day before yesterday, and it's back to dirty again, practically.
Yeah, because of the weird dust.
Weird dust rain. I call it the poop rain because it's poop coloured. So guys, just a brief thing what we've got to do. We've got to put the pulley and the pulley mount on so we can get the accessory belt in. So that way we can get power to the engine and the car will crank. And that is all we've got to do. And then the car will be running and we can take it to get the roadworthy, and they'll fix the rest of the stuff we couldn't be asked doing. I got another helping hand. Here we go. Oh, did it lock? Please tell me it did. Yeah, it did. How did it go?
Oh, wait, hang on. Now that you're that actually helpful. Now
Wait,
I
what
have to
happened?
Risk my phone falling into that car.
Oh, you got the pulley in.
So,
What happened? Oh no.
this happened.
Oh shit.
It's one of them.
Oh my god, feels
I
bad.
don't know what happened to the other one. Where
Wait,
I put it.
what happened? What did you do?
Don't know where I put it, but it also happened to the other one.
Was that when putting the what's
Tightening
the tensioner?
yeah, there it is. The smaller thing.
Oh no. What did you just use the extension? Oh god, what the
And there's the other one.
what happened? Oh, it's half off.
Yeah.
What? Wait, so was that just from tightening it?
Yes.
And that's because it had a...
Jacob, I need you to watch the belt.
Yeah, okay. Oh, did you make sure
Don't-
it's... I'm not touching it.
Don't touch it. And it will make a squealy boy sound.
Okay.
Watch it.
Okay. Wait. Yep, the bottom pulley's spinning, top pulley and the alternator.
It's gonna squeal.
Yep, it will.
I need you to watch it.
Okay.
3.
It squealed a little.
Did I do it?
Yep, you did. It lives. It's back. Tap the accelerator a little bit. Just a little. Yep. Keep it up. Tap it again. Is it meant to make that noise? So it worked, but then the tension kind of went down and now it's rubbing again. I'll call shotgun. Wait, you still got your computer and stuff in the back. Do we want to go in my car? Because I've got clean back seats. Good idea. And also I filled up $40 on the dot and it was like 34 liters. I feel like the ultimate Uber driver right now. Hello, my Uber passenger.
Yeah, when we gonna go, man?
Oh, wait, that's for you to ask and me to drive. This is how driver work. Oh my god. This feels like good old times, recording videos with your friends.
Man. Uber to Repco, please.
Uber to Repco, okay. On to our second home. Okay. So, pensioners.
Welcome back to the channel.
No. Welcome back.
Welcome back to my asshole.
What the boy?
Good God.
Holy moly. How far have you gone? Do you want me to... Okay. Let me check the
How
tension.
far have I gone? Probably a 16th of a mil.
You say a little bit more, but what you really mean is a lot.
A lot, yeah, I actually was about to say I kind of meant a lot more, but I mean, that's just a theory. A gay theory.
Thanks for watching.
Holy shit. Here we go. He's putting in reverse. Is it going to run on its own power? And it is. Keep on going.
It's a spicy meatball.
It's a good spicy meatball?
Yes, I can make it.
Is it working okay?
It stays in one spot and the battery doesn't lose power.
So you did it like a stop test practically?
Yes.
And it doesn't lose power at all?
Yes, I can show
That's a good job. What's the next step?
you. Get in.
Okay, doke. I'll be back.
Hasn't dropped below 12.
Hasn't dropped below 12 volts.
By now it would be at like 10.
Yeah, that's good. Might need to adjust the clock soon.
Probably.
Probably. Oh yeah.
It's gone now. For the time being.
Feels pretty nice. This feels so cool. It's like 1995 and most of the interior still looks immaculate. I love it.
I don't know how much it actually works.
Yeah, let's check the rest of the features. That's cool.
What the fuck that is?
That's the ashtray. That feels good. Did you check the gear shifting manually?
But yeah.
Okay. Testing the gear shifting now. Third gear shifting seems to work. That's a good thing. Clock also works. Voltage is in a good position. It's right above 12. Hasn't dropped below.
Just babying the car.
It feels alright. The gearbox feels fine. Especially for 175,000 kilometers.
It's real hard to see out of that mirror
When it's all dusty.
when a phone is in the way.
Sorry, Nathan. High five. We did it. It's working.
Fuck yeah.
Woo! I'm happy. I'm overjoyed with this now. There we go. Nothing wrong on my car, is there? No? Cool. Ah. Woo! So, how was your first ride in the FTO? What can you say? Damn. Hey Nathan, you're not the only one. The car right next to mine got hit bad with that dust storm. Well, it's gone for now. Bye-bye, FTO. Hello, my baby. So, there you have it. We are finally done with the FTO. The FTO has gone into roadworthy today, so it should be done on Monday. And on Monday, the car should be ready to drive away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little series of the FTO work. It's a really big step for me, especially when I'm going to be doing work on my own car, and it's definitely going to help me figure out what I'll need and all the tools and how to get them cheaply and not like go over budget on everything that I don't need to. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.